What is up, everybody? Dan the Fireman here, and I am riding around with Nikki's brand new helmet. It's the Shoei RF1200. It's the Shoei RF1200, and I got her a gold visor. So now I have a silver visor, she has a gold visor. She wanted to be a little bit different, but her and I both agreed on white helmets because they are safer when it comes to you know, being seen. And I still gotta fix this because after she dropped her bike. Oh yeah, and I'm also riding her bike. I'm riding her Honda Rebel 500, and I'm basically just using everything of hers right now. But thank you guys, thank you to my patrons for making it possible to where we can take the MSF course class together, train, work together, and we're able to now do dual vlogs. I got my camera set up on hers, and she's got her own camera. We got everything set up, but I just want to say thank you so much for the crew for making this possible. Thank you to the patrons for making all this possible. So if you guys want to join, it's 12 bucks a year. 12 bucks a year to be a DDFM crew member, and it helps out so much. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about the helmet real quick. These are my first impressions. This isn't a review yet because I want her to make the review because she's the one that's going to be using this helmet a lot. So sooner or later, we will be having a review, but I'm going to tell you right now, comparing this to my Shoei Hornet X2, this is a freaking very good helmet. Like, the Shoei Hornet X2 is slightly different. Let's go and turn right. It's slightly different, and it's a little bit more expensive, and it's meant for dual sport riding. Okay, so I picked it because it has a big visor, but I'm gonna tell you right now, this view is still perfectly fine. I can see a little bit of the chin guard. I can see a little bit of the chin guard, but it's not obscuring anything. Oh, I gotta turn off the blinker. I forgot. It's not obscuring anything. My Shoei Hornet X2, I don't see the chin guard like at all, basically, unless I actually try. But this one I can kind of see the peripheral of it. But I'm gonna tell you right now, this helmet is windy. Not windy like in a bad way, but I can feel the ventilation. If my ears right now feel nice, if that makes any sense. It feels great. I love the gold. The gold looks awesome. I actually might copy her. I love the gold. The gold looks cool. The helmet's really nice. I really do like it. Comparing it to the Shoei Hornet X2, I mean, the Hornet X2 has its unique look when you take the peak off, but man, this is ECE rated, SNELL rated, DOT rated. I looked for the SNELL rating mainly, and it's a very comfortable, very safe helmet, and I'm very happy that she likes it too, and it fit her nicely. She has a medium head. I have a medium head, and she has an intermediate oval head, and I have an intermediate oval head, so I'm able to actually wear this helmet comfortably, and so now we can interchange. I might actually do that. I might actually interchange these helmets every once in a while. It did come with a silver, or not silver, it came with a clear visor, and we bought the gold visor as extra, and this is pin lock ready. Inside, when I bought the helmet, on the inside of the box, it came with a pin lock system, so I'm going to put the pin lock system on this. And I'm excited for her to do it. And I'm going to tell you right now, the pin lock system makes a huge difference because I'm taking I'm breathing out and it's fogging up. And on my helmet, I do that. I haven't even noticed any fog whatsoever. So definitely get something that has a pin lock system. But this is just my first impressions. Right now, I love it. It's a comfy helmet. Hopefully it sounds great. I got the chin curtain right here. I got the nose guard right here. So this is kind of what it looks like when it's completely open. But it's just like any other helmet, you know, guys. It's just like any other helmet. But guys, this is just a first impressions. I'm waiting for her to kind of do a full review on it, and I'll maybe talk with her and do a review on it too. But man, I gotta fix this. I'm having a ton of fun with this helmet. The gold looks nice. I could see through it. It's like shades. It's like sunglasses almost. I haven't tried it out at night, but I highly recommend not doing it at night. If it's anything like the silver iridium that I have, or the silver shield that I have, the silver one I can't see at night, not that well anyways. So at night she's gonna have this thing flipped up. Oh, but it's so smooth. It's so smooth. Does it lock? It should lock. There's a lock. Mine locks. There you go. See that little click right here? There you go. Yeah, it locks. That's cool. That's really cool. It's really nice and smooth. It's very clean looking helmet. Everything works great. And if you're wondering how I got a GoPro on here, I use Sugru, and a GoPro mount. So if you want to check that out, I do have a video of me putting it on my helmet, and I'll have links to all the stuff that I made possible, or was able to make it possible to do motovlogging on this helmet. But guys, great helmet, highly recommend it. SNELL rated, very comfortable, very, very comfortable. I feel a lot of airflow coming through, and it's the good kind. It's not the noisy kind, it's the ventilation kind. And I'm waiting for Nikki to do her own review. So if you guys like this stuff, make sure you click that join button. There's not just a subscribe button, there's a join button now. That way you get custom emojis and you get a bunch of custom stuff. It's actually really cool. That's $5 a month. But guys, if you really want to help out the channel a ton, join Patreon. That's the thing right there. Join Patreon. And if you want a little extra, obviously click that join on YouTube. But join Patreon. Become a crew member for $12 a year. $12 a year. You guys are making everything possible to where I can become a rider instructor, and I can actually come meet you guys, and I can train you guys. I can go over there and tell you, like, you know, this is, you're doing great on this. Hey, you're messing up on this. Let's work on a little bit of clutch control. You know, let's work on a little bit of the braking. So all these things you guys are making it possible by becoming a patron or join as a channel member. A crew member is the main thing. Become a crew member either on Discord, subscribing, joining, or Patreon, okay? With that said, guys, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'm going to get this home before I get in trouble because Nikki doesn't want me riding with all her stuff. And I got to fix this mirror. This mirror is like, whoop, whoop, whoop. All right, guys, I'll be seeing you later. I'll be editing this for all the patrons, so if you're a patron, you're going to see the live edit, all of this. Oh, it's fogging up. I need to get the pin lock in there.